It's now July, and this is the season where, in a lot of management consulting firms, in different IT companies, there are a lot of promotions. People get elevated to the next level. In some cases, there are some people who miss the elevation as well. Now, I do a lot of coaching for leaders who transition to higher levels. And I just wanted to share some of those areas that they need to be really focused on as they think about scaling up in this new role. The first thing that I've seen leaders struggle with is this new reality, what they put up as a business case and personal case for becoming a partner, and the reality that they see when they arrive on the job is slightly different. And that reality is to ensure that they learn fast and they execute with agility. The second thing that really would help them is what I call time, team, talent, and technology management. In the manner in which they are now able to look at how do they proactively allocate time, how do they build their team to become more independent, how do they ensure they are able to leverage the talent across the firm, and also to utilize technology for them to build scale and speed into their skill. The third element that comes in, and this is very interesting because this is all about learning about people and politics. So here is where your former peers have now become your direct reports. Your former managers have now become peers. This is also a wonderful time where you have to plant your feet, grow your backbone, stand up and stand out. And last and the most important element is to look at the quality and altitude of your client relationships. The ability to play at a higher level, the ability to book a greater book of business, that becomes paramount. So in fact, those leaders who are able to address these four movements, these four changes, these four imperatives are the ones who are most successful. So if you are one of those leaders who have been promoted and who is confronting a new reality, think about all these dimensions that you need to go ahead and step up to. Good luck.